amulet, blue amulet against blue makes the evil neutral, yeah? This is a very nice one, guys. What are those people got position? It is over there at the end of the street. Now this is the cherry tomatoes of Santorini, guys. Look, take photograph. That's what we have. We call them cherry tomatoes, Egyptian tomato, yeah? So you're not, it says, guys, it says cave. It is a cellar or private house cellar, yeah? Underneath each house here, because the construction is very old. Unter jedem Haus gibt es einen Keller, ja? Das war für einen Keller. So, underneath each construction is a cellar.
Что пользуется?
Делает мистер Коп.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that you're okay with ice creams and stuff like that, yeah? We go straight to the bus. So, because despite the paradise on earth, yeah, we want to learn something about the late Bronze Age, yeah?
Yeah.
Like images of Virgin Mary when they're celebrating Dormition of Virgin Mary, Maria's funeral, yeah? Then they got a small wooden piece, which is the sleeping Virgin Mary, yeah? Virgin Mary died, she just fell asleep. So they put the little Virgin Mary on the epitaph and take it, yeah? Yeah? But we are not using in the tradition of a church the statues. Only the items. It's like paradise, yeah? Oleander, das ist Oleander. Alle möglichen Farben. Welcome to Greece, huh? Here's the local people are living, yeah? The local people. Here, that way, more businesses are there where we can see caldera, the crater, yeah?
Ekrana da bude daha da.
It is the most romantic restaurant in the whole university. We're jealous. I've never been there besides. I had only once in my life clients who have eaten here. Yeah. In Paradise. My daughter, she's so clever, you know, now she's 25, but when she was like teenager.